Hello YouTube, this is John with Walker Built, and I'm here for the unboxing of the US Shift Quick 4 controller. This is the first in the series of videos. I'm planning on putting a 4R70W in an 83 Mustang with 5.0 and a supercharger. So let's get to it. First of all, this unit's in a very compact box, which hopefully helped with shipping. It came fairly quickly after I ordered it, probably about a week and a half after everything. I talked to a Ted Talman at US Shift, and he asked me a series of questions on what transmission, what year for the transmission, and so on and so forth. So looks like I've got a full printed receipt. With the shift controller, harness, and a TPS adapter, I was right at the $800 point, which is expensive, but for all the features this thing provides, it ought to be a really nice deal. So looks like I've got a package of information, instructions, so on and so forth. Got a full printed instruction booklet. Also has, looks like a 47,000 ohm resistor for a coil negative tax circuit and a 680 ohm resistor, all stapled to the cover. I'll do some reading and figure out what those are for. I've got some setup notes I'll have to read through. And so I gained 10 or 15 horsepower. I've got a sticker. When I place my order, anytime I get into something over $300 to $500, I always ask for a t-shirt. It should be automatic in a situation like this, but he did throw one in. That was awesome. And this looks to be the TPS adapter. It does show for Holly Sniper, but in this case, I'll be using the Phytech setup. I think it's just a plug between, kind of an in and out deal where it'll intercept the signal going to the Phytech ECU and gives me a TPS signal for the controller. That's pretty awesome. Instructions for said TPS adapter. Now we're getting to the goodies here. Looks like we've got an actual USB plug-in, both for the unit. Looks like the unit side takes the Mini. There's a USB adapter there. And we've got, it looks like the vehicle side part of the harness that will actually join with the Quick 4. And the nice thing about that is you've got every wire labeled. You got 12-volt run and a lot of your standard deals. Now, one good thing about this, it also has, looks like, Mantronic up and down shift. I'm going to be using the low-car automatic electronic sport mode shifter, where I'll have, you know, a normal gated shifter at any given time, and I'll also have the option to put it in a manual mode, positive and negative up and down shift. I'll have a video for that later in my series. Looks to be nice, good style wiring on there. This looks to be the, I think this is the harness for the transmission side of the range sensor. So this will actually give the quick 4 information on gear selected. I just happen to have a range sensor here and I wanted to check fitment. So that works out. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're gonna be just fine. We're gonna be just fine. That's awesome. Good positive engagement. So we've got our actual quick 4 end, and we actually have the range sensor end, or the Prindle sensor. We've got another one here. Okay, this looks to be the solenoid, transmission side solenoid harness for the 700R4 for the 4R70W. We've got the solenoid connection on the quick 4, and we've got the solenoid connection on the transmission on the 4R70. And we have the speed sensor coming off the transmission. This will tell the quick 4 output speed. That looks to be a simple plug into the TSS section. Awesome. Looks like everything's included. Everything's ready to go. I think I'm going to try to plan to mount this in a spot where I can actually have the window showing. That will give me a gear selection output, and I also have a knob here for any kind of tuning purposes. If you like this video and you want to see more of my series on an automatic swap from 5-speed to automatic 4R70W and a Fox Body Mustang, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. This is one of my first few official car videos. My page has been up for a long while, but I've got a hodgepodge of items, so you're welcome to take a look. Walker Built, and signing off till next time.